Because it'll be the same people in regionals.
He was at the regional track meet though.
And this Wings Track Club
Yeah,
C.
but they don't compete in this region though.
In this first section, we have the Wings C team consists of Castillo, that's Daniel Castillo, Jaden Hurricane, Jalen Caldwell, and Jordan Ferguson. For your side there, running Ravens B team, it's Cameron Johnson, Eli Jacobs, Jacoby Harmon, and Joshua Harmon. For Richmond Elite, it's Javaris Bonner, Michael Roro, Tylen Johnson, and Eli England. For Houston Visions, is a team of Caleb Anthony, Caleb Williams, Cameron Ratliff, and Kellen Morgan. For Richmond Elite B team, it's Chase Rogers, Dimitri Barnett, Terrell Mays, and Travion Robertson. For your mainland Jaguars, it's a team of Elijah Harris, Isaiah Gill, Kate Stevens, and Carveen Stevens. And for your H-Town Hurricanes, a team of Jacoric Allen, Jaden Garner, Jalen Owens, and Mason Roseborough. And for PTX, you have Bruce Prince Jr., Christian James, Christian Rivera, and Clifton Jones III.
They both probably ran 4 and 6, but they got it together.
That's Indiana with Richmond Elite in the lead.
That one is Nigerian.
H-Town Hurricanes following suit.
The Golf Association, a hotbed of talent. And as the saying goes, if you can compete here, you can compete anywhere in the nation.
All right, Jalen Owens. Jalen Owens got the 48. What'd you get?
Hurricanes retake the lead. Richmond Elite not giving it up so easily. Taking it back, turning on the Jets. Anthony with Visions. Richmond Elite. Houston Visions, followed by the H-Town Hurricanes.